MaterialScroll. So if we press Q, we can go to MaterialScroll and actually scroll through the materials, and it'll turn off render visibility for everything. So you can see exactly what material you're putting on your selection. Then when you click, you're back in edit mode, exactly where you left off. So we'll select this, add a blank material, but we'll make it glass. Notice that once it's glass, you can see it in edit mode. However, we didn't want to make this object glass. So we'll go in here, add a blank material, maybe even MaterialScroll to just scroll and find just a perfect material to prevent that from being presented as glass. And we'll select this piece here, Q, add blank material, except we'll choose a principal material and just see what we got here. And that is the new blank material as of hardops 982_10.